Hi friends, welcome to my new tutorial called Learn Data Science with Python by Lavakumar. So, why I am teaching data science? Data science in recent times it has a significant importance for data science. Mostly by data science is a key feature in present day. The main significance of data science is the rising amount of data that generated in present world. Every day there is a huge amount of data is generating. So if we have a model that will analyze the data and predict the data with somewhat new feature, new by using new algorithms, which help to the companies for further analysis. So let's talk about what is data and how it is generating. So every day around 2.3 trillion gigabytes of data is generating every day. It's This analysis is from 2019 starting onwards. It may be now if you see the data generated by present scenario, it may increase to 3 to 5. It will goes on continuously. By 2020, we can say the data will definitely increase by 40 zettabytes or 43 trillion gigabytes of data. So there is a huge amount of data in the world which are stored in cloud and many ways. So how the data is generating? So the data is generated by transactions. Data is getting generated from multiple sources like transaction data from various enterprises, like process data from various industries, and we have social network data. Like if you consider Twitter, we have tweets data. If you consider as a Facebook, we have likes data, we have images data, we have videos data, we have comments data. If we talk about Internet of Things, the Internet of Things completely depend on a cloud-based platform, which is which will require a huge amount of data. Like for example, if you consider as a like Ola, Uber, how they're navigating, how they're exactly predicting the road, the particular time that the person delivered over here within this particular this amount of time, and how will the Google Maps are working. These all are completely depend on the data. The one thing we can use the data is by processing the data, and when we need to analyze and process and make it as a most formalized way so that we can use the data for our analysis purpose for better predictions to real world problems. So we have a huge amount of data. Like see, we have messages, we have pictures, we have navigations, we have airplane data, we have e-commerce data. There is more amount of data present over in websites. In many applications, in many websites, we have they provide a huge amount of data. So these all data is in unorganized format. So how we organize this kind of data, how we process it, how we analyze it, how we predict it, and find a new features from this unorganized data. This all comes under one thing called as data science. And here, what is data science? Data science is nothing but a set of fundamental principles that guide the extraction of knowledge of data. It's some principles which is need to extract the relevant information, the knowledge from the data is nothing but a simply data science. So here comes the picture of data scientist. So here he is the data scientist, and he is able to take the raw data as an input format and organize it, and by using various algorithms he can use data visualization, he can use data analytics by inventing various kind of patterns from data in a well organized format. For example, let's discuss about the email. Every day we got around 50 to 100 emails. Some may be unused emails, some may be relevant emails. So while coming the email itself, we need to process the email and we need to check whether this email is relevant to us or not. If this email is not relevant to us, we simply skip the email into our main box and go and we throw it into the spam. This is nothing but a, and here the something model is predicting the emails and then converting into the user format and not non-user format. And recently, the Harvard Business Review is mentioned as the data science job is the most sexiest job of the 21st century. So, so we can, so you can guess the how importance of data science in the present world is. So, what you will learn from this course? You learn the complete data science project cycle with the Python as a basic language. I completely teach the Python basics, which helpful to design a to develop a data science programs and hands-on exercises and some case studies. We need to take some real world problems and and design, predict the model and generate the new suggestions from the case study and some of the practice problems and finally tips and tricks. Because if you want to become a data scientist, you need to good in the mathematics, because some kind of concepts like statistics, linear algebra, this matrix, these kind of things are plays very crucial role in data science. You no need to be a very much great in the data science, in the mathematics. Just the basics are enough. I will teach you everything. Thank you. From the next video onwards, we let's get started into data science and we learn complete data science course. If you like the video, please subscribe and wait for the next video for the data science.